Hello, this is Koda Dojo Handa channel from Japan. I'm going to explain about control panel of Viscuit. Viscuit is a visual programming language used only in Japan. It is very unique one. I'm sure it will be more famous all over the world in the future. Welcome to the world of Viscuit. Launch Viscuit and select a background color, then tap the pencil icon. When Viscuit opens, there is another pencil icon, so tap it, you can draw pictures. Choose your favorite color and draw a car picture. After drawing, decide with the round icon at the bottom left. Drag the car picture and put it on the stage on the left. Take out megane, which means eyeglasses in Japanese, and put the car picture on the left lens. Insert another one into the right lens by shifting slightly to the left. Move the car picture inside the right lens slightly to the right. Next, move the car picture inside the right lens down a little. In the same way, move the car picture in the right lens up a little. Now, move the car picture in the right lens slightly to the left again. Tap the gear icon to change the scroll background speed and grid. Now let's change the background color by twin rotating bar. The background color has been changed to yellow. Next, set the speed bar to rabbit. The speed has increased. This time, set the speed bar to turtle. Then the speed slowed down. Set the speed bar to rabbit again. Set the horizontal scroll bar to the far right. The car picture that moved to the left end no longer comes out from the right end. Set the horizontal scroll bar second from the right. Next, set the horizontal scroll bar third from the right. This time, set the horizontal scroll bar to the left end. OK, set the vertical scroll bar to the right end. Move the car picture in the right lens down a little. As with the horizontal scroll bar, the more the bar goes to the left, the sooner it comes out from the opposite side. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.